So for next up, we're trying to give a valid reason or valid connection between dihydrotestosterone and the development of the male external genitalia. Okay, how this hormone actually brings about the development of the male external genitalia. So dihydrotestosterone, you can see DHT. So once DHT comes in, the person automatically becomes male. So how is this? Okay, and why is this? So it actually plays a critical role in male sexual differentiation. That's for you to now ultimately come and say somebody's male, somebody's female. You see, potent androgen derivatives is formed from testosterone via an enzyme known as the 5-alpha reductase. That's the enzyme that kind of like breaks it down. So it acts directly on target tissues to shape male reproductive system. So how it triggers it is around week 8 to 12 of gestation. Dihydrotestosterone actually comes in, acts on the genital tubercle, urogenital folds, and labioscrotal swellings. Okay, so genital tubercle elongates to form the penis, urogenital folds fuse to form the penile urethra, labioscrotal swellings fuse to form the scrotum. Okay, then without dihydrotestosterone, these structures will just go into females by default. Okay, so development of prostate to also stimulate the urogenital sinus to proliferate, then form the prostate. Okay, that process too is around week 10 to 12. Also promotes differentiation of stromal or epithelial cells. Then the bulbourethral glands. So the glands arise from the urogenital sinus. So dihydrotestosterone also stimulates their growth and branching. Alright, enable them to produce mucus that will lubricate the urethra during ejaculation. Okay. So it binds to androgen receptors with greater affinity than testosterone itself. That is dihydrotestosterone. It's non-aromatizable, meaning it does not convert to estrogen. You understand? So it actually preserves its androgenic effect. So acts locally at the site of development too. Okay. So once there's now 5-alpha reductase deficiency, you don't have an enzyme that will now convert testosterone to its active components. You understand? Then sometimes you can have androgen insensitivity syndrome, where cells are not actually responding to androgens.